camera kung fu.
Like that?
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Volks TV. We're at a show. Where are we at, Sean?
We are in Ferris, Texas. Bugging. Spring bugging.
Spring bugging.
Yeah.
And it's raining.
It just started raining again. It's been a little chilly this morning, today, but it's supposed to clear up soon.
That's what we're hoping anyways.
The sun is actually trying to poke out, but it's a little cold and a little bit wet.
A little bit. It's damp.
It's damp.
It's damp. We don't say the R word. We're here at Camp Old Volks. Look at here.
What's up, brother?
It was nice when we got here this morning to see a sea of Old Volks sweatshirts. We're everywhere. You can't look in any direction without seeing one. Got this big flag. There it goes. So we're gonna take a little walk around and see the show, and we've got some swap over there. Nice big swap for the first time in like 5 years, it feels like. And soon to start racing. So hopefully we get over there and catch some of that action. Let's go. There. Everybody say hi.
Hi.
Hey, hi, Old Volks TV.
Why don't you say something?
Oh, look, it's this
Hey, it's
jerk.
Milo. Welcome to Old Volks TV. Finally. Hey, check it out. He got a koozie.
That's his.
I got a koozie.
I got
we
one
all
of
got
his.
koozies. These guys don't talk much.
I got one of his beers too. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, mine's, yeah, there you go. Well,
That's mine.
there you go, properly.
Who's got badges on them?
Mine's in my car. Mine's being effectively displayed in my car. Oh wait, no, hold on. I got the overrider. This overrides all. See that? That's it. That's the whole thing.
It's like a little, so cute.
It's a baby. It's
so
a baby.
cute. I got one of those on my keys.
You guys need to start talking more.
That was a good one.
All right, so there'll be a meeting about voting individuals out of this group.
Ooh. Well, the weather cleared up and the temperature shot up 20 degrees, and
It's a beautiful day.
it turned out to be a super nice day. The racers are racing, the swappers are swapping,
The cars are shining.
the cars are shining. Yes, Sean, that's a good one. So we're just walking around the old car show here, looking at some of these really nice. This car right here with the swap.
84.
It's like a Mark 1, but it's so clean. Rims. swap, man. That's a really nice job. That's a cool car. This little Corrado's nice too. Little Lego battery. The champ. You gonna win again?
I mean, that's the plan.
You gonna take that hat home?
That is the plan. Hopefully he is not that lucky again. Because some of us have had bad luck, we need the luck. What do you...
So real quick, it was a hard decision, but we went around, and before I tell you, real quick, I'm gonna do a shameless plug. Old Volks TV, people, go out to YouTube, check out Old Volks TV, make sure that you hit subscribe. Okay, besides Old Volks TV, Volks America and Volks Mania. Get your gear, subscribe, get all that good stuff out there. Are we good, Jason? All right, good, baby, I want that. All right, so hard choice. This guy actually put in some extra labor just to get to this place based off of pictures that we saw online. So, I don't know, man. Eric, Booger, you're our baby. Come on.
Clint, outstanding event, brother. Thank you.
Hey, first of all, Josh did all of this car show.
Josh Hatton.
Josh.
It's all Clint. It's all Clint. Nonsense. Both of them put this together. Our choice for Alamo City is number 7, Mike No.
Mano!
Rick!
thing's heavy, man.
I knew already
my
before you did.
It's heavy. It's really heavy.
All right. So I think we're winding down. Sean's neck is killing him. My knee, I left it somewhere over there.
But it's worth it. Well worth it.
It's worth it. This was a good show. Oh, look here, we're coming up on the Old Volks. Team Old Volks.
Mileage 68.
And then we got David's Beatles Bug. We got Alex Java Green. It's nice. This great car is nice too. It's got one of Jeremy's windows. You can tell the quality right there. Loose nuts. That's how you know that they got a good window in there. Good stuff. So that was a fun show. We had some race cars and some show cars. It was nice. We had a kolache that was freezing cold.
And a breakfast taco.
And a breakfast taco. And we resisted buying everything in the swap meet. I think we came out with just some stickers.
4 stickers.
Which is a write-off because it was for business expense. So that's good. Got this barn door. These cars are clean too. I think Tim's gonna shoot that one. That one's going in a magazine. Turbo too. So there we go. That was Buggin'. What are we calling it? Spring Buggin' 2021. It's the first car show that we've had in, man, it feels like forever.
It's been over a year.
Forever since we had a real car show. I'm tired of this virtual car show stuff. I miss this. So this is gonna be, oh, it's windy all of a sudden. This is gonna be a thing again. Lots more shows to come this year. It looks like everybody's bringing their shows back. So we'll be doing a lot more of this. And look at that. Look at all these cars. This is ridiculous. We've been walking for hours. So it was good to see everybody. And I think we're gonna wrap it up right now. Check out all our friends. Get yourself a Volks America magazine. Treat yourself to a t-shirt. You desperately need new t-shirts and we got them. I think we got what, 4? 3 or 4 different versions
I think
now?
So, yeah, we're still working on more.
We got that Teespring link down below. Smash it, get you a shirt. What do we say at the end, Sean?
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.